Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new trade that just came in here. It's a 2022 Scout 305 LXF. Really clean boat, has about 129 hours on it. It is powered with the twin 300 Mercuries with joystick piloting. Has the gray Aztec teak, synthetic teak across the swim platform. Really nice integrated aft seat here at the transom. This has the Grigio interior, which is the gray with the light cream inset. It is a black hull boat, which you'll see in the photos, and it has the Midnight Edition, which blacks out all of your powder coat, grab rails, rocket launchers, hardtop frame. They even did a custom Garmin radar black to match. Here behind the helm seats, you have a freshwater sink, designated cooler storage compartment there, 4 rocket launchers or rod holders across the back of the helm seats. The boat does have the dive door feature. As we make our way up to the helm, the boat is equipped with twin Garmin screens, Fusion stereo system. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the joystick piloting, which not only gives you the ease of docking, but also integrates Skyhook and autopilot all into one remote or one control. The blackout Edson wheel at the helm, Mercury vessel view gauges, digital throttle and shift, 2 really nice helm seats, flip down armrests and bolsters. Again, it has that Grigio upgraded interior, which is a nice soft touch to it. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, we're going to pass by the head compartment. And this is actually the first one in the Scout series that's going to give you a berth option. Really cool feature on a 30-foot center console. Vacuum flush head. Nice deep bow with full-length coaming bolsters as you work your way up. It does have the fender pros for quick release clips there. Great chase lounger in front of the console, making this a really family-friendly layout. Integrated backrests in the helm seating. You do have a bow filler piece that's going to fill in there. Really nice storage underneath the lounger. Designated table storage there. And then we do have the windlass anchor. That's a through hull anchor to give the boat a nice clean look. Foot pedals on both sides. Boat does have the bow sunshade feature, clips to the hardtop and sets up in the rod holders here in the bow. It's a real quick look at this 2022 Scout 305 LXF trade. Give us a call to learn more at 910-256-8100.